So, dear students, today I am coming with a new chapter in civics, that is understanding the advertising. Advertising is what? Every way you can hear the advertise. When you are sitting at home, you are sleeping also, you can hear some sound is coming, something advertising is going on. So, advertisement is something that is shown or represented by the public with the aim to sell a product or to make an announcement. Students, as you know, the advertise is everywhere advertisement is going on. So, advertisement or ads have become so regular in our lives because we see them frequently on radio. They tend to draw our attention to different products positively so that we buy them. So, advertise so many things are in radio we can see, in TV every serial, every news we can see the advertise of something of the other. So, now building brands and brand values. Now you can see the term advertising is totally related to buildings brands. Buildings brand in the introducing level branding refer to the stamping a product with a specific name or sign. Specific name or a name that is a given or a sign. This is done so as the distinguished product in the market with the other product. There is a two things come in the market. Some with the advertise. Now you can many must have seen, or some of your parents also must have seen the tea. With the tea there is something is coming with us that to sit, and so many things other things coming, and there is a lot of comparative these days there is a, and so the market is a so much product in the market with the other products also. If we look at the two ads, they have been given a specific name so that this is no confusion regarding with the particular product to buy. The naming of the product is known as a branding. Naming of the particular product we buy, that is name is given, so that is known a branding. Okay, then only naming the product is not enough to sell it. It is not only giving the product and giving the naming to sell it. The manufacturing of a shop and a dal have to convince the consumers why their product is better than the other product available in the market. So, there is a two types of. Now, you will see tur dal also, any other dals you are going to see in the market, there is a two types. They will say this is much better, the shopkeeper will say this is much better and this is this. So, there is always the shopkeeper will tell us, and we know the prices of the dals and so on another product also. And this work is done through the advertising which introduce citizen to buy the product advertised, and the people who buy the things advertised, what are the advertisement is done. So the shopkeeper and the people are so clever to see the product and things. Brand values and social values. Advertisement have become a significant part of our social and culture life. This is advertise have become a significant part of a social and culture life also. These advertisements are often watched, discussed, and also people are judged on the basis of branded produce they use. Now, you people use the pens. Mostly nowadays, children buy the pens. Advertisement is done, and now I don't think you people go mostly advertisement of pain or which is useful for you, but you are going through what type of mobile, which mobile is good, and this kind of things, this advertisement you pay more attention. They influence our life to the large extent and target our personal emotional to products and induce us in the way we value ourselves as a person, what we value to ourselves. Now, brand products are expensive as they include cost of packing and advertising. So, the brand thing is a more expensive thing. Why it is expensive? Because it took to advertisement, also it took time, and for packaging also is a different type of package, so it take little extra money. Many people can't afford these branded products and feel depressed, and those who can afford buy them and feel dissatisfied. And there's some people, because of a produce that is a branded produce, that is expensive. Why it is expensive? Because the branded things, that is a advertisement is made, then package is made, the people think that is a more beautiful and certain things, and it is a branded, and many people feel discouraged because they are not afford to buy those kind of things. But in reality there is not much difference between packet and unpacked package. Children, there is not much difference, but mostly what happen, we mostly go for the packing things, because it is packed, so it must be a branded. But it is not much difference at a package and unpackaged, that is a difference only. And by linking our personal emotions to products, advertisements influence the way in which we value ourselves as a person. Now we can see our person emotions to products. Advertisement influence the way in which we value ourselves as a person. Other way of promoting products. The other way of products people is by promoting products by cricketers or film stars. These the mostly what happen when you do, there is a, if you want to give more important to the products, then between the some cricket, mostly people watch the cricket, so in the between they give the advertisement about the certain things and film stars. This makes people feel tempted to buy these products because person whom we consider a hero tells us that they are worth buying. Now you must be seen the Amitabh Bachchan, my favorite one. So you can see Amitabh Bachchan now in the summertime he will come with the cool that oil, okay, thanda. So that oil comes, then everybody, whether it is good or not, but whoever fond of Amitabh Bachchan, they will take it, they will buy it because they are fond of the heroes. Also sometimes our advertisements show us the image of a lifestyle of rich people, keeping us way away from the real life of situation. Sometimes what happen, sometimes the advertisement shows us the image of lifestyle of a rich people and keeping us away from the real life situation, and then we go on the advertisement, what the advertisement was done in the lifestyle. Now, necessity of understanding the advertising. People not only purchase the products on the basis of advertisement, but this advertisement also influence the way in which they think about ourselves, their friends and their family. Now what happened? Necessity, and now we have to understand properly why it is necessary for us to buy. We think the people may know us because of the certain products, because the advertisement made and influence is made in which the people will think that we are the great people, we take the branded things. So because of this reason it is not necessary. Thus it is necessary to know and understand how advertising work. Now we must understand how the advertising works. We need to understand why the particular image or emotions have been used and what happens when we are not able to buy these products. Now certain things, children, now we see in the TV or certain so many things. Now Amazon, that they are giving so many things, they are giving so much influencing us, but sometimes we are not able to buy, then we are sad and we go into depression, children. So we should not take about the what is necessary. We should understand the things which we need only we should buy, but not go according to the advertisement. Making of an advertisement. Advertising is significant for a brand as it makes people buy the products. Now I already told you that significant brand and it make people to buy the product. Advertising is not an easy task. Now children, advertising also is not easy task. Okay, many books have been written on it. People get purchased to buy the brand after they see the advertisement, and so many things will they see after the advertisement, and the person who make the advertisement decide what image, text and person emotions are to be used for selling the product. Now the advertisement, whoever make the advertisement, he want to know the people's mind. What kind of image I will put, the people will take my products. So the person who makes the advertisement, he decide what kind of image, text and person emotions are to be used for the certain products. Advertising and democracy. Now democracy also we need the advertisement. There are different ways in which advertising connect to the issues of equality in democratic society. To advertise a product, lot of money is required. To introduce and to advertise, there lot of money is required. This producting and showing the advertisement in media is a costly affair. Companies have to show advertisement repeatedly due to the increase of competition so that people may remember an ad. The people, now you see in TV, in every TV channels you can see so many things are required, and it is a costly because so many things are being used to remember the people. Again and again they are going and saying the same thing, repeating that people may remember the competition so that the people add their competition. This is a significant that only large companies can advertise. Okay, large company, big companies only can make use of these advertisement. Now effect of the advertising or a small business. Children, the people whom own small businesses do not have money to advertisement on TV, newspaper and magazine, and hence they have to sell their products in weekly market. Now what happened, children? That small businesses, they have no money for the advertisement in the newspaper, magazine, or on TV or anyway, but they go on weekly market. Now we have here what day we have the weekly market, that is a Sunday. Those days the people bring their product to advertise by in the market in those time, because they have no money, because advertisement need money for the advertisement. It makes people accept that package things with the brand name and better than the things which do not come in packets. Now, it makes people accept the packets, okay? They accept the packets, things with the brand name and are better than the things have not come to the packets, okay? It did not come into the packet. It should be remember that quality of product has very little to do with the packaging, okay? Quality of a product has very little to do, okay? Very little to do with the packaging. But it is a negatively affects the sale of a various small businesses, forcing the people out of the livelihood. The people at home, the small things they buy, they make, and then they are not able to do advertisement in the newspaper, TV, magazine. So they come on the marketplace, on the weekly market, and they do the advertise because they have no money. Put the advertise, promote lack of respect for the poor. Many people feel bad as they cannot afford certain brands which claim personal emotional wide advertising. So they have no, poor people, lack of respect for the poor people. Many people feel bad as they cannot afford certain things for the advertisement. So the poor people feel very bad about it. Now conclusion, advertisement. Advertising making up forget about the key issue of democracy, such as poverty, discrimination and dignity of by focusing on the lives of the rich and famous people. This advertising forget about the democracy such as poverty, discrimination, dignity and forcing on the lives of the rich and the famous people. We should critically understand the effect of advertisement on our life and learn to make better decisions about what we do or buy and what we not do. Children, this advertisement, I am sure you know much better, because advertisement is nowadays everywhere in mobile, clothing is coming, this thing is coming, that thing is coming, advertising. These things, if you buy one thing, we'll give you 4 things. If you buy one thing, then will you give you with that we'll be giving you this thing. So this advertisement is helping the children to know the product, but same time the poor people are suffering for their product. They are not able to give their product easily because they cannot, their manufacturing is not be given the value of it, because they are not effort to give to put advertisement in the TV, radio or in a newspaper or magazine. So children, thank you and have a nice day and enjoy your days.